Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're doing something incredibly practical. We're going to build a world-class, enterprise-grade AI tech stack for exactly zero cost. I mean, if you've been watching the AI space, you already know the tools are getting exponentially better. But man, those subscriptions pile up fast, so we're here to fix that. So let's dive right in. AI is fundamentally changing how we work, right? But subscribing to every single new tool will drain your wallet in a heartbeat. So you might be wondering, is a completely free enterprise-grade stack actually possible in 2026? Well, the answer is a resounding yes, provided you know exactly where to look and, which free tiers are actually worth your time. To figure this out, we've sifted through literally hundreds of apps and platforms to bring you the top 10 best free AI tools for 2026. And we didn't just randomly pick these. We've carefully organized them by the specific jobs you actually need to get done every single day. Think of this as your definitive guide to maximizing productivity without spending a dime. Okay, first up, Section 1, Writing and Deep Research. Now, our first rule here is all about pairings. You don't need one tool to do everything. So use ChatGPT for the everyday stuff, brainstorming, drafting emails, summarizing documents. But when you need absolute factual accuracy, you pair it with PapersFlow. See, PapersFlow uses multiple AI agents working together to search over 474 million real academic papers. That gives you verified inline citations. And this distinction is absolutely critical. While general AIs like ChatGPT write beautifully, they frequently hallucinate facts and sources. Dedicated tools like PapersFlow are essential for serious research because they cross-check actual database links and author names. It basically eliminates the risk of fake citations altogether. Moving right along to Section 2, Stunning Images and Video. The great news here is you no longer need to juggle a dozen different accounts. Soloa AI gives you daily, free access to a massive variety of top-tier image generators all in one dashboard. We're talking models like Flux 2 for incredible speed and Imagen 4 for photorealism. Plus, they actually give you commercial usage rights and zero watermarks on the free tier. It's wild. Now for video generation, we're pairing Canva AI with Kling AI. Canva AI is uniquely valuable because it doesn't put watermarks on its 5 monthly free generations, making it perfect for your Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. But when you need that jaw-dropping cinematic realism, you switch over to Kling AI. It's a total powerhouse offering 5 daily credits that generate unbelievably realistic 5-second clips. When you look at these limits stacked up together, you unlock some massive visual firepower. Between Soloa's daily credit refresh, Canva's watermark-free monthly allowance, and Kling's cinematic credits, you are fully equipped to run a content business without ever pulling out a credit card. Next up is Section 3, Coding and Data Analysis. For actual programming, we pair Cursor Free with Google's Gemini Code Assist. Cursor Free is built right on VS Code, so the learning curve is pretty much zero, and it brilliantly handles 2,000 code completions a month. It helps you clean up and rewrite code across multiple files instantly. But hey, if your team works heavily inside Google Cloud, Gemini Code Assist is your go-to. It offers a massive 1,000 requests per day for exactly $0. Now this is where data analysis becomes truly democratized. For non-technical business teams, Camel AI acts like an AI coding agent with a persistent computer. You literally just connect your spreadsheet, describe what you want in plain English, and it writes the code in the background to build full interactive dashboards for you. And their free tier, called Camel Code, goes way beyond just giving you a one-time chat answer. It actually lets you deploy working software. You get 1 workspace, 3 deployed apps, and 2 daily cron jobs. That means you can schedule automated, recurring reports all for $0. It leaves you with a persistent internal tool, which is a real game changer. Let's bring it all together in Section 4, Automating Your Daily Workflow. For workflow automation, we pair Glean with Gamma. Glean is a permission-aware AI that safely connects to over 100 business apps to retrieve your specific company context. That means it won't hallucinate or leak sensitive data. Then you take that perfectly grounded context and feed it directly into Gamma. Gamma instantly transforms those raw notes into beautiful, professional slide decks or web pages in literally seconds. So here's where the magic really happens, stacking these tools to create a seamless workflow. You use Glean to safely grab your company data, let ChatGPT draft a compelling script from that data, and finally drop that script into Canva to produce a free, professional, unwatermarked video. I mean, that is workflow automation at its absolute finest. Let's wrap things up with Section 5, the $0 future. Take a look at this list. Here are the top 10 best free AI tools for 2026, working together as a complete enterprise-grade AI tech stack. You've got writing, research, video, coding, data apps, and enterprise search all completely covered. Think about it. Just a few years ago, assembling this suite of capabilities would have cost a company a small fortune. Today, it's entirely free. Armed with this enterprise-grade tech stack right at your fingertips, the traditional barriers to entry have completely vanished. You have the tools to write, research, code, and create at a world-class level without spending a single dime. So the only limit left is your imagination. The question is, what are you going to build today?